question is from GATE 2013 Mechanical Engineering paper, question number 11. Match the correct pairs processes to the characteristics or applications. So the processes given are friction welding, gas metal arc welding, tungsten inert gas welding, electroslag welding. And the characteristics or their applications are given as non-consumable electrode number 1, number 2 joining of thick plates, number 3 consumable electrode wire, and number 4 joining of cylindrical dissimilar materials. So let's find out the correct pairs here. P, which is given to be friction welding. So friction welding is a solid state welding, and here two dissimilar materials or metals are being welded together, and this is done by using the heat from the relative motion between the two dissimilar materials. After the desired temperature is being achieved, the motion is stopped and it is followed by applying a forging pressure on the two materials. So we can state that by using the heat from the relative motion followed by the forging pressure. Therefore, as per the given things, we see that P, friction welding, is being matched by number 4, which is joining two cylindrical dissimilar materials. Next one, that is given in Q, gas metal arc welding. As the name suggests here, this welding is being carried out in the presence of inert gas, and an arc is being formed between the consumable electrode and the weld job. This arc then provides the heat for the welding. So we see that Q matches with number 3, where it is given that a consumable electrode is used. A consumable electrode wire is being used. Next one, which is R, tungsten inert gas welding. It is similar to gas metal arc welding, but instead of a consumable electrode, here the electrode is made up of tungsten and it is non-consumable. Tungsten is used to make this electrode because it can withstand very high temperatures. For particular welding operations, very high temperatures are to be achieved, and therefore tungsten is being used, and therefore it's a non-consumable electrode as well, so that it stays in solid state when that high temperature is achieved. So R matches with number 1, that is non-consumable electrode. Last one, which is S, has electroslag welding given. Here what's done is the electric current that is passed between a consumable electrode and the weld surface of a thick plate. That electric current generates the heat to melt the consumable electrode, which is nothing but the filler metal. As it's consumable, it is used as a filler metal. And the surface of the weld is being covered with molten slag in order to evenly distribute the heat. So we see that S matches with the remaining one, which is second one, welding of thick plates. Let's go back and mark the correct option with this pairing. So P4, Q3, R1 and S2. 4, 3, 1, 2, which is given in option A itself. Option A is the correct one. To learn more about welding processes and the characteristics of each of these processes in detail, you can refer to the NPTEL video, Classification of Welding Processes and Definition of Welding Arc from the course Welding Processes. The course is by Professor Murugaiya Amirthalingam. He is from Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering of IIT Madras. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.